Hi, I'm Hannah Wallace and welcome to Finextra TV. Speaking with me today, heading up Finastra's Treasury and Capital Markets Business Unit is Wissam Khoury. Wissam, it's great to have you here. Thank you very much for joining us.
Pleasure to be here, Hannah.
Really good to have you on. And we're starting by talking about your role in the business unit and building on your experience as an industry leader and thought leader at that. So tell me, what is front of mind for someone in your position today?
Perfect. Not an easy question to answer. But on front of my mind is just to take what's been happening recently as a challenge in our industry, be it in financial technology or financial services. This industry is under enormous pressure to keep managing their costs or keep their costs down, increase productivity and efficiency, keep pace with the ever-changing client demands by introducing new products, so that at the end they ensure long-term profitable growth. That's the main objectives or what keeps me up at night. So in Finastra, we've been focusing on this all throughout the years. But what happened around 2 years ago, or in 2022 actually, beginning of it, we have pivoted our business from functional to business units. And that's where I run the Treasury and Capital Markets for Finastra. This allows me and my team to focus on end-to-end solution. The best way I describe it is that we are responsible to make, sell, and serve our solution to our customers. That gave us a little bit more agility and focus so that we can adhere to the client's demands and the challenges of our clients on daily basis in a very fast, dynamic market environment.
All right, so it's the customers that are really front of mind. So you touched on some of the challenges there, so let's go into that a bit more. Could you highlight what the challenges are that you're seeing your customers face, and also a bit about how you're helping them navigate those challenges as well?
Yeah, perfect. You're absolutely right. The pivot to the business unit is to get us closer to our customers, and that's the entire objective of why we pivoted that business unit. So if you think of the market and what the clients are facing today, on top of what I've mentioned into cost pressures and efficiencies and all the rest, is to be able to keep pace with what's happening in the market.
Yeah.
And if you look at the events that's happened recently, or even before that, if you look at the black swans, at recessions, at high interest rate, at volatile interest rate, these are some things that has been happening throughout decades. I remember when even doing my MBA, we went deep dive into the economic and recessions that happened. When I was doing my financial risk management certification from GARP, again, we were highly focused on how we can overcome these black swans that happens once in a while. But if you look in the past 2 years, if you look at the geopolitical risk, even pandemic, if you look at high interest rates, which is happening, we're living in today, volatility in the market, the difference is that they are happening in a very short period of time. In the past 2 years, it was catastrophic for the financial industry and the banks. So that posed huge challenges on these banks to be able to keep up with that type of environment. So the only thing certain today actually is uncertainty and volatility. Sure. So the challenges that our banks are facing, and also us as an industry, is to be able to have the right solutions at the right time that can help you build in, take care of these instabilities, uncertainties that are happening in the market. So, and that's what we're trying to help them with at Finastra. And I can tell you a little bit more on how we do that.
Yes, please tell us, how are you helping them navigate those problems then?
All right, so there's lots of ways where we can help our banks to navigate these problems. And when you ask me what's on my mind, is usually what I tell my employees is that what should keep you up at night is what keeps our clients up at night. Sure. And even take it further, what keeps their clients up at night, because our objective is to make sure that our clients are profitable and growing and all the rest. And if you look at the recent analyst reports, such as Celent, you'll see that the banks or our customers and financial institutions are continuing and increasing their IT spend because they believe that technology is going to bring them more efficiency and agility so that they can react faster based on the challenges that we have just discussed and be able to manage their environment in a very uncertain and volatile conditions. And cloud specifically is taking the lion's share of this IT spend. So if you combine this on what's on our mind, what's on our client's mind, we are also embracing this technological advancements and trying to utilize the technology, especially cloud, in order to help ourselves and our clients to be more efficient, more agile, more ready time to market, easy deployment, take advantage of the new solutions that are coming up in the market so that we can deliver the best solutions for them and they deliver to the clients. Last thing I want to mention as a strategy from our side, I totally believe that nobody can cannibalize innovation. And my objective with my team is to put the power of innovation back to our clients. So at Finastra, just to think of it, we are a major player in this industry. And if you sum up the balance sheet of our 580 plus clients, they actually sum up to almost half of the world's GDP. So we are very abundant and very pleasant with our customers. So that allows us to really allows us and put an obligation on us to utilize all of these technologies in order to help our clients through their modernization and cloud journey.
Of course, innovation really is at the core
Yeah.
of this, isn't it? And you've touched on that already, but I'm interested to hear some examples of how you're driving innovation as well.
Yeah, that's excellent. Let me pick on a couple of examples. The main two is, number one, developing our partner ecosystem, and the second one, utilizing latest technologies, and now Gen AI. I am personally extremely excited about Gen AI. But let me start to talk about the partner and ecosystem. Like I was mentioning, nobody can cannibalize innovation, and I want to put the power of innovation with our clients. The only way to do that is to rethink of who are the competition. Are they really competition? Are they a collaborative team that we can work together with the sole purpose of providing the best of breed solution to our clients? So at Finastra, and especially in the Treasury and Capital Markets business unit, our partner ecosystem is our biggest investment. And we use our partners in different areas. So some of the partners we use are for local implementation partners that help us, especially when to adhere to local requirements, risk regularity requirements. This is one type of partners that we heavily work with. Another part of partners is actually, in my point of view, one of the most advanced partnership that we have done, is because we have built our platform based on open APIs. And we are attracting now fintechs in order to come to our platform. Our platform is the platform for innovation. It's called fusionfabric.cloud. Utilizing our REST APIs, our clients can utilize these fintechs using our marketplace almost immediately, without the worry of integration, without the worry of upgrade. It is always evergreening. The best way to describe it is like when you have an app on your iOS, even if you upgrade your iPhone, the apps continue working. So we have created a marketplace with apps that are coming from fintechs in order to complement our solution, in order to give our clients all the tools that they need. I can give you one example on this one. For example, one of the partners is called Vector Risk. Vector Risk, they are specialized in risk management, obviously, both on the trading book, both on the market and credit risk. So with Vector Risk, any clients who wants to properly manage their market and credit risk, they can subscribe to Vector Risk using our platform, pre-integrated with all our treasury solutions. So this is one example. The second point I've mentioned is AI. AI for me is a little bit more than a buzzword. Personally, I'm extremely excited of the future of AI and what it brings to the table, especially on efficiency, productivity, and the rest. So AI, think of it of two ways. Number one, we are heavily using AI to optimize the process and efficiency for our own team and own employees. And Finastra, we've been investing in Gen AI for quite some time, and we have actually released a couple of solutions for our employees, such as Microsoft Bing Chat and Microsoft Copilot. And also, the second part is we are building use cases with our clients in order to provide solutions based on Gen AI that can help them in their analytics, insights, risk management, and be able to really react proactively, not even react, proactively take decisions in order to better manage their risk, their books, and their regulations. So yeah, lots of investments happening there.
Yeah, collaboration is key to success, and it is the customer in the end who benefits from those partnerships, as you say. So let's come back to the customer. How are the partnerships and the collaboration Finastra is having helping them?
Whenever we go to our customers, and like I've mentioned before, the competition has become vague. So for us, we've taken a decision that what we care about is the end user and how the customers utilize our solution, be it coming from us or coming from the market. So the objective, plain, when I tell my guys that you would have achieved success if our customers calls us and ask us for a solution that actually we do not have, because that shows that we're a trusted advisor to these clients. And because of our, I told you, we're quite prominent in this market, most of our clients, or big portion of our clients, have been our clients for more than 20 years. And we would love to continue into that relationship. So the only way to do that is to build this partner ecosystem that I've just mentioned, and also invest in the latest technologies so that we can address the problem that they have, how they can better manage their balance sheet, better manage their profitability, better manage their own customers.
Watch this space, it's safe to say. Some really exciting developments there, and technology evolution as well. I'm looking forward to touching base further down the line, talking about those more. But I want to now end on talking about Finastra's values and sort of the ending message there. I know we spoke before and you said it's more than a slogan, but remind us.
It's more than a slogan being Gen AI, and it's more than slogan as well, the values that we run in Finastra. So I've talked a little bit when I touch on Gen AI, that in Finastra we truly value our employees, and we want to invest in our employees to upskill them and to make sure that they are ready for the market. There's lots of examples that we have done this. We also have an obligation, because of our size, in my point of view, to convey this not only to Finastra employees, but to our customer employees, and even take it further to the industries and the communities that we live in. At Finastra, we have a key value, which is doing well by doing good, which actually pushes us all the time to do the right thing for our customers and for ourselves. And in Gen AI, when we did all of that, we also train our people to use Gen AI, because it's quite a new technology, in a safe, secure, and unbiased manner. So talking about unbiasedness, also in Finastra, we believe, I personally believe, because of the position we are in, that we have an obligation in order to remove biasness in this market. Personally, I'm even the co-executive sponsor, so another role I have in Finastra, for Women at Finastra, where we really want to promote gender equality and give women the chances to reach their ultimate potential. That not only helps us as Finastra, but helps the communities that we live in. So honestly, I take extreme pride that I work in a company that that has high values and bigger purpose to unlock the potential of people and businesses and do the right thing to my team, to my clients, and to the industry that we live in.
Yeah, upskilling the employees is really important. Wissam, we've covered so much. Thank you so much for sharing your lessons leading the Treasury and Capital Markets business unit, what you're doing in innovation, how you're collaborating, and also highlighting Finastra's values. And look forward to catching up with you further down the line. But thank you very much.
Thank you, Hannah. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.